it's Chipotle time. Check out this chicken. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. All right, here we go. We got the wife doctoring up our Mexican street corn with some crema.
Husk. Lots of husk.
If it ain't got a little bit of husk on it, it ain't real corn.
It's not fresh.
That's right.
Smell it. Can you smell it? It smells good.
That's coming up. That's coming up next.
Yeah, why don't you show the finished deal on the other one?
There we go. Don't be getting cheap on me, Dobbs.
This one's mine. Yours is over there.
I'm
There you go.
I might want to trade you out. 'Cause
There
that
you
one looks like it looks a little better than mine. Looks like it's got a little bit more tahini than mine does. But I can always put more on.
That's what you can. There you go.
There we go. Oh yeah. All right, we're chopping up the Chipotle chicken. And oh my God, we already had a taste, but I'm about to take another taste because I can. And oh my God, this is amazing, babe. Great marinade. What's in the secret marinade?
Secret.
The secret?
It's a secret. Only my children will know the recipe.
Oh man, guys online, sorry. You're not gonna be able to know the secret, but I can tell you there's some Chipotle peppers that are in this marinade.
Yes, lots of them.
And some other goodness like garlic.
Yep. Lots of garlic.
I saw the garlic going in.
Honey.
Honey, okay. Is it the hot honey?
No.
Just regular honey?
Yeah.
Okay.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Okay. Is that it?
Nope.
Oh man, I guess she's, just not gonna share with you guys what the secret ingredient is.
Vinegar. Oh, I just saw a fly.
Okay, well, don't worry about him. If he comes anywhere near this yummy goodness, he's gonna get the bug assault.
Yep.
All right.
Let me see that.
Hey. You know it's good when it's good when you have people surrounding the kitchen island wanting to.
Okay.
Even the flies want
Bug assault.
want some of this, right? Okay, here we go.
Oh. Get him, babe. Get him. Did you get him? Double tap. Double tap.
You always get a double tap, guys. Remember that. All right. All right. Not the ideal knife. I mean, it's sharp.
Do you want a bigger one?
No, I mean, it cuts. It'll cut.
It will cut. Look at that. Yum.
I don't know how much more cutting I can do because I'm so freaking want to dive into this yumminess.
Just
that the longer I take cutting all this meat up, the more I know I'm going to stuff my face.
all right. That's good for now. Then we'll just
I mean,
save
this is
the.
a lot, and we can save the other stuff. I mean, one more.
Okay, one more.
Because I just love looking at it like, hey, this is, look at this. Look at the juices coming out of that thing. That's cooked. It's good to go. See?
Okay. Let me see. Yep, it looks good. Looks good.
Yeah. All right.
All right, let's eat.
All right, let's do it. All right, let's scoop a little bit of this sticky rice here.
That's good.
Is that good for now? Okay. All right. What do we do next? What do we put next on there?
I put
Some
salsa on.
salsa on there. What about your?
Yeah,
you
put my chicken on.
You want chicken on 1st?
Yeah, give me some crunchy parts, like right
Crunchy
there.
part of this one right here.
I like the crunchy part.
There you go.
Okay.
What about this one?
Yeah,
This is
I
a
like
crunchy
that
one right
Yeah,
here.
I like crunchy ones.
There you go.
Okay, and then you pour some salsa over it.
Okay. All right.
And then you put some corn salsa on it because this stuff is good.
Okay.
Then you put some
salsa.
cheese.
Get some of the cheese on there. All right.
And then that's all I put in mine. I know you like lettuce on yours.
Yeah. Here's the lettuce right here. Oh, you don't want lettuce on yours? Okay. All right.
Here you go.
All right.
All right.
What about your beans and
I don't eat beans on mine.
No? Okay. All right. To each his own.
You should have filmed your own.
I'm doing everything, guys. So you
Yeah,
can just imagine
all this
what's
stuff
about
is
to happen.
yours.
You can just imagine what's about to go. I'll take a picture of what's going on here in a second. Oh my God.
That's a special.
This is the juiciest corn.
That's the. I use a special sauce that I make.
And that sauce, the creaminess, and with the spice. Oh my God! All right,
Spicy.
I'm gonna try the Chipotle. Get a little bit of everything on my fork. Get the perfect bite. Oh wait, I forgot salsa.
Oh my gosh,
I can't forget that.
that is a sin.
Oh yeah. Here we go. That right there will put Chipotle out of business.
Yes,
Like-
it would.
Oh my God. This is amazing. Right here. Oh. If there was only such thing as called flavor vision, that you guys can actually taste what I'm tasting right now, you would want to eat at our house every day and have this right here.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I'll be finishing every last piece of this chicken until it's gone. Wait, we still have more in the fridge too, right over there?
Yep.
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow too.
Yes.
Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. Till next time. See you later.